Hello, welcome to Victoria's English 219 UNM site. If we go back to the homepage, I kind of wrote a little something about myself that you guys can just read for now, but I know by the end of the semester we will have to be writing a reflective memo. Here's a reflective memo on the subtitle page. And so if we go back to home, I just want to show that my color design, I chose purple and white. I thought the purple goes good against the white. Here kind of has like a little gray, but I thought, it's a good contrast, and also purple is my favorite color, so I thought it was a good color scheme. I have also tried to match my typefaces with my title, my headings, the text box here that I edited. I tried to do something different because I know we only need to have two typefaces in a website and a document and so forth. Throughout the semester, I will, continue to edit and try to, make my portfolio a lot better looking. Next week, we will be turning in project one. So here in the navigation area on the left-hand side, here's project one. And next week, once we turn in our project, I will be submitting it here for people to view and to also just have everything completed by the end of the semester. Project 2 will also go here, Project 3, and everything else that we will be using throughout the semester. I also learned how to edit here, this edit button. This is where, we'll be typing things as well. But I'm just still getting to know my website, and yeah, hope everyone enjoyed my little tour here.